Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk with the goal of developing implantable brain-machine interfaces, BMIs. It aims to create a direct connection between the human brain and computers, enabling bidirectional communication. Elon Musk's brain implant company Neuralink received regulatory approval to conduct the first clinical trial of its experimental device in humans. Musk has claimed Neuralink's device could be used for a range of therapeutic uses, to treat conditions like blindness, paralysis, depression. But he has also said that the eventual aim is to create a general population device that could connect a user's mind directly to supercomputers and help humans keep up with artificial intelligence. Neuralink entered the industry in 2016 and has designed a brain-computer interface, BCI, called the Link, an electrode-laden computer chip that can be sewn into the surface of the brain and connects it to external electronics, as well as a robotic device that implants the chip. The technology behind Neuralink involves implanting tiny, flexible threads or electrodes into the brain, which can then detect and stimulate neural activity. The company envisions a future where Neuralink's brain-machine interfaces can help treat neurological conditions, restore sensory functions, enhance cognitive abilities, and potentially even merge human intelligence with artificial intelligence. Neuralink aims to revolutionize the way we interact with technology by developing advanced brain-machine interfaces. Its mission is to create a direct connection between the human brain and computers, unleashing the full potential of our neural capabilities. By seamlessly merging human intelligence with artificial intelligence, Neuralink envisions a future where humans can harness the power of technology to enhance cognitive abilities, treat neurological disorders, and even achieve symbiotic integration with AI. At the heart of Neuralink's innovation lies the brain-machine interface, or BMI. This groundbreaking technology involves implanting tiny, flexible threads, or electrodes, directly into the brain, creating a high-bandwidth neural connection. These electrodes can detect and stimulate neural activity, enabling bidirectional communication between the brain and external devices. This opens up endless possibilities for transforming the way we interact with technology. Neuralink's potential goes beyond technological advancements. It has the power to transform the lives of individuals with neurological conditions. By leveraging the brain-machine interface, Neuralink aims to develop innovative therapies and treatments. From restoring sensory functions for those with paralysis to providing targeted therapies for conditions like Parkinson's disease and epilepsy, Neuralink offers hope for millions around the world, promising a future where limitations can be overcome. Neuralink's vision extends beyond medical applications. By merging human intelligence with artificial intelligence, it has the potential to enhance our cognitive capabilities and expand the boundaries of human potential. Imagine a future where we can seamlessly access vast knowledge, communicate through thoughts, and even collaborate with AI systems. Neuralink opens the door to a world where human potential is amplified by the power of technology. As we explore the transformative potential of Neuralink, we must also address the ethical considerations surrounding human-machine integration. Privacy, security, and maintaining individual autonomy are paramount in this technological revolution. Neuralink recognizes the importance of these concerns and is committed to ensuring transparency, consent, and respect for individual rights. It strives to strike a delicate balance between innovation and safeguarding the well-being of humanity. As Neuralink continues its journey of exploration and development, we stand at the precipice of a future filled with possibilities. The merging of humans and technology opens up new horizons, where the limits of our potential are redefined. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of Neuralink. Embrace the future and the endless possibilities that await us at the intersection of humans and technology.